Okay, people, here's a problem. We had to find everything, okay? What you need to realize is we have 6 amps going through here, and I gave you that at R1, there was a current of 2 amps. So I could add that in there, 2 amps. So, long story short, if 6 amps flows into this point here, we call this point a junction. If 6 amps flows into the junction, 6 amps must flow out. If 2 of them went that way, I guess 4 went this way. So that means that 4 amps goes through here. We have that R3 is 50 ohms. We now have the current through resistor 3 is 4 amps. We know that V is equal to IR. So for this one, it's V is equal to 4 times 50. So we get V is equal to 200. Now many people were asking me, is this a series or is it a parallel? The correct way of saying this is it's R3 is in parallel with the battery, and it's also in parallel with the series combination of R1 and R2. So it's not like R1 is in parallel with R3. It's the series combination of R1 and R2 are in parallel with R3. So now that we have that voltage there, I guess we have the battery voltage is 200 volts because that is in parallel with the battery. Now, we have R2 is 5 ohms. We have that this current must go through this one and then must go through this one. So I guess we also have the voltage across resistor 3. V is equal to IR again. 2 times 5 is 10 volts. If that's 10 volts and together we add voltages in series, these two are in series. So what we're going to do for V1 would be total voltage is 200 minus 10 is 190 volts. Now we have the voltage. We have the current. We can figure out R1. R1 is going to be V1 over I1. So that's going to be 190 divided by 2 is 95? 190 over 2? 95 ohms. Okay?